Hello everyone, and welcome back to Riverlight Tales. Every morning you wake up, life hands you a choice. Carry the weight of yesterday, the same fears, doubts, and excuses, or leave it behind and rebuild yourself into something stronger. Here's the truth, life won't wait for you. It keeps moving forward, with or without your permission. The people who grow, the ones who rise, are the ones who decide, I will rebuild myself today. Think about it. Great cities, towering empires, incredible achievements. None of them appeared overnight. They were built brick by brick, choice by choice. And you're no different. You're a work in progress. You're not stuck. You're not finished. You're defined by your willingness to rise, to tear down what no longer serves you, and to build again. Of course, life will test you. People may doubt you. Circumstances will challenge you, but nothing can take away your ability to start over. That power is always in your hands. Rebuilding isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. It's about waking up each morning with a clean slate and saying, yesterday doesn't control me. Today, I create something new. And let's be real, rebuilding is often uncomfortable, exhausting, even lonely. But that struggle, that's the price of growth. That's how you build resilience. The daily choice to rise stronger teaches you discipline. It teaches you patience when results don't come right away. And it teaches you courage to let go of the past, to release the old habits that keep you small, and to step into the person you're meant to be. Because if you don't rebuild yourself, life will do it for you, and not always in ways you want. But when you take ownership, when you choose growth, you stop waiting for luck or miracles. You realize your progress, your destiny is in your own hands. So every morning, remind yourself, I have the power to rise. I have the power to rebuild. I have the power to create a stronger me today. That's the mindset that turns ordinary people into unstoppable forces. So don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Each sunrise is your invitation to begin again. Build brick by brick, step by step, and watch as the life you dream of rises right in front of you. Thank you for being here with me today. If this message speaks to you, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, never stop rebuilding yourself.